Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Semrush Local for map pack improvements, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Semrush Local for map pack improvements, start by logging into your Semrush account. Navigate to the dashboard after logging in. Look for the Projects section on the left-hand menu. Click on Create Project to start a new project for your local business. Enter your business name and website URL in the appropriate fields. Choose your specific location if your business operates in multiple areas. Once your project is created, find the Local SEO tool in the left-hand sidebar. Click on Local SEO to access the tool's features. Next, input your business information, including the address, phone number, and business categories. Ensure that your NAP name, address, and phone number are consistent across all listed platforms. After entering your information, review the data provided by Semrush regarding your local visibility. Check the map pack rankings and identify keywords relevant to your business. Utilize the position tracking feature to monitor your rankings over time. Enable the listing management option to keep track of your business listings across various directories. Regularly audit your citations to ensure they are accurate and up-to-date. Use the insights from the Local SEO tool to refine your local strategy and improve your rankings. Incorporate local keywords into your website content and meta tags for better visibility. Finally, revisit your Semrush Local tool regularly to adapt your strategies based on the gathered data. This process will enhance your presence in the map pack, driving more traffic to your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.